Hello guys from RC Science, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, we're gonna unbox the Traxxas Rustler VXL. So, let's go. Okay guys, this is the Traxxas Rustler VXL. It's a stadium truck. It's capable of 70 miles per hour. That's like 115 kilometers per hour. The set comes, as you can see, with the Vilenian brushless motor, the 3S ESC, and the TQI transmitter. Here you can see some specifications on the car. This is how the car looks. Here on the back you have the same. So now we're gonna get this piece of paper off the car, of the box I mean. Okay, as you guys can see here, we have the TQI transmitter. As you can see, I really like the grip on this transmitter, the throttle. Here you have the Traxxas stability management. As you can see, this button here, and this is the steering trim. Here you can put the car on and off, and the steering is here. But what you really need to, what's not included in the set, is 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. And here we have it. I'm gonna put the car a little bit down, get this piece of foam out, and here we have it, the car. And what I really recommend to you guys is the Traxxas 3S ESC fan. We're gonna put this on the car in the next video. That is going to be a video where I'm gonna set up everything. Gonna put it there, and here, look at it. And as you can see here, you have the 3S ESC. Here we have the Vilenian motor, the Ultra Shocks, as you can see, the receiver box, and what you get from the set are some instructions, some tools that you get here, some shock spacers. And that's it. I also bought a 2S LiPo, but we're gonna unbox that in the next video. Now I'm gonna set everything up, and when I've done that, I'm gonna be right back. Guys, as you can see, I've put everything together. Here we have the car. It's looking so cool. The tires, ooh, supple. Here are the back tires with some more grip for the traction. I'm gonna unbox that right now. Here you have your tools. As you can see, this is for the wheels, and this is, I think, for the steering links, this tool here. Here we have a ton of shock spacers and shock pistons, as you can see. Here also, this is the optional gearing. As you can see, I don't know how many tooth this gearing is. And here we have body clips, some extra screws, and this piece of foam. I don't know what it is. If you know, leave it down below in the comments. Here we have a piece of paper with some batteries and chargers, but we don't need it. Here we have the Vilenian stickers. As you can see, here's some, I don't know, warranty stuff. Some stickers, some guides, and everything here. So that's what we unboxed now. Now I'm gonna give you a quick detail of everything. Here we have the Traxxas ID connector. Here we have the ESC. Here the battery is going in. Here we have the steering links over here, and here underneath, well, you see that little bit of a white circle. You have the servo that's attached to the receiver box. I'm gonna quickly get this piece of paper off. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. The bottom also, as you can see. transmitter. So this is the unboxing video. It's a little bit of a short video, but as you know, I've unboxed it right now. And in the next video, I think it's going to be online in 3 days. We're gonna set the card up. We're gonna put the Vilenian on it, the Vilenian 3SEC fan, and look if everything is working. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It was a little bit of a short video, but you know, but don't forget to subscribe. We really want to reach 100 subscribers in this year. So I see you in the next part. Later.